The AI revolution is here. And it's not just coming for creative jobs, it's coming for the high-paying, safe careers nobody saw coming. Right now, AI is already replacing lawyers who charge $300 an hour, and nobody's talking about it. But I am. I've built and sold 3 tech companies. I've seen every boom, and I'm going to give you the 8-step map to get rich with AI, even if you're starting from zero. Let's go. Step 1. Pick a boring industry. Forget flashy tech. The real money is in the boring, essential industries. Shocking. Fact: a single AI agent can now do the administrative work of a 5-person team for less than $50,000 a year. That's $250,000 in salary. Gone. Poof. My top 5 AI-ready industries. Number 1. Supply chain, logistics, forecasting. Everything comes in an app now. Number 2. Admin, billing, scheduling. This is a silent goldmine. Number 3. Home services, roofing, plumbing. A $1 trillion industry running on pen and paper. Number 4. Legal services, contract analysis. Those $300 per hour lawyers, they're using the same ChatGPT you are. Number 5. Team training. An AI that knows every company secret, that's happening now. But here's the twist. Most people are picking the wrong industries. They chase what's new, not what's true, and that's why they fail. Step 2. Pick a high-margin model. Margin is your moat. It protects you. Shocking. Fact: the average restaurant margin is 3 to 5%. The average AI software margin? 90%. You're leaving a fortune on the table by choosing the wrong model. The top 4 models for 2025. Number 1. AI services, about 70% margin. Get paid to set up automation. Number 2. AI consulting, that's 80% margin. Tell companies how to use AI. Number 3. AI software, 90% margin. Build it once, sell it forever. Number 4. AI digital products, 95% margin. A course, a program, pure profit. But you can have the best idea in the world and still go broke. And it all comes down to one mistake almost everyone makes with their offer. Step 3. Sell to a rich customer. It's easier to make $1 million selling to millionaires than to make $1 million selling to everyone. Shocking. Fact: the top 1% of businesses in boring industries have cash reserves they don't know how to spend on tech. They are desperate for solutions and will pay you up front. My 5 hacks to meet them. Number 1. Industry events, volunteer to get backstage. Number 2. Hyper-personalized email. 1 email got me a 7-figure employee. Number 3. Offer an interview. Start a podcast. It's flattery marketing. Number 4. Host a meetup. Connect people on Zoom. I do it weekly. Number 5. Host a founder's dinner. Break bread with the best. Now you've found your rich customer. But if you just go and ask them to buy something, you'll lose. You need to engineer an offer they physically cannot say no to. Here's how. Step 4. Create a high cash flow offer. Profit is sanity, but cash flow is vitality. Shocking. Fact: 82% of small businesses fail because of poor cash flow. They build something, then can't afford to deliver it. You will not be one of them. Key components. Number 1. Anchor pricing. Have a top tier 3 to 5 times more expensive. Makes the rest look cheap. Number 2. Implement scarcity. Only 3 spots left. Force a decision. Number 3. Add a bonus. Solve their next problem for free. Make it irresistible. Number 4. Volume pricing. Get them to pay for 2 to 3 years up front. Fuel your growth. This is where everyone gets it wrong. They spend months, sometimes years, building something before they ever talk to a customer. And that is $1 million mistake. Step 5. Sell before you build. Do not build anything until you've sold it. Shocking fact: a friend of mine spent $3 million building software an agency told him to build. He never sold a single license. Don't be him. How to pre-sell. Number 1. Prototype. Use Figma. A fake, clickable demo is enough. Number 2. Find early adopters, your founding 50. They co-create with you. Number 3, ask for advice, not for money. What do you think of this? They'll ask to buy it. Number 4, choose one conversion tool. Master webinars, social selling, or calls. Now you have money in the bank and validation. Most people would go hire an expensive developer and blow all their cash, but there's a much cheaper, faster way to build. Step 6, build your MVP, the cheap way. You don't need a tech team, you need leverage. Shocking fact, you can build a functioning AI app that handles real business tasks without writing a single line of code. The tools are that powerful. Build your AI MVP for cheap. Number 1, no code. Use Go High Level. Make. This is all most people need. Number 2, AI code. Use Cursor or ChatGPT. It writes the code for you. Number 3, hire an AI developer, but only after you've pre-sold. You've built it, customers are using it, and now you're drowning in work. This is the moment where most entrepreneurs burn out, but not you, because you're going to automate everything. Step 7, automate the delivery. Automation turns your offer into a machine that works while you sleep. Shocking fact, I had a client who was overwhelmed. We automated her client onboarding. It went from 3 hours of work per client to 7 minutes. She 10 times her business without hiring a single person. The 4 areas to automate. Number 1, purchasing, Stripe, automatic payments. Number 2, account setup, membership platforms, instant access. Number 3, onboarding, Typeform to automated workflow. Number 4, support, AI that answers emails from a knowledge base. Now your business is a cash-flowing machine. This is where you face the biggest decision of your entrepreneurial life. Do you cash out or go all in? Step 8, get greedy, the right way. Now, decide what kind of greedy you are. Shocking fact, 99% of people are short-term greedy. They take the first offer and lose out on generational wealth. The real money is in long-term greed. The 3 S's of AI wealth. Number 1, sell, short-term greed, flip it for quick cash. Number 2, scale, long-term greed. Keep your money printing machine. Number 3, stack, portfolio greed. Build a portfolio of AI companies. This is how you build a legacy. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this, do me a favor. Like this video, share it with one person who needs to see it, and subscribe for more strategies. Now go get rich.